In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a smart action in Wix. Let's begin with the dashboard of your site, because that's where we will find automations. So head over to your dashboard and look for automations. It's not tough to find, so keep an eye out. Once we're in automations, we're going to create a new automation. To do this, simply click on New Automation and then select the option that says Start from Scratch. This will lay down the groundwork for your new automation, just like an artist with a blank canvas. After creating a new automation, we need to choose a trigger. This is what will initiate the automation. For instance, it could be a new form submission. The choice is yours, so go ahead and decide what suits your needs the best. With the trigger set, we now have to add an action. This is done by clicking the plus sign that will allow us to add a new step. Once click on it, we will choose the action from the given options. Choosing an action requires a bit of decision-making. Wix has a selection of pre-built actions listed for you, such as sending emails. Alternatively, you can also opt for a custom action by selecting the Run Velo Code option and create something uniquely designed for your website. Once your action is chosen, it's time to configure it. This is done by following the on-screen instructions that Wix provides to set up the action. If you're using a Velo Code action, it requires writing and testing the code. Once you've configured the action, activate it by clicking on either Activate or Save, depending on what your screen prompts. This completes the automation process. Now let's shift over to adding an action to one of your pages. Go to the editor and select the page where you want to add this action. On the left menu, you'll spot an Add button represented by a plus symbol. Click on it and choose the button option. Now you'll see several styles for your button. Select one that matches your web page and place it where you want on the page. Next, the settings wheel comes into play. By clicking on it, you can configure your button, including its text, which is best served as a clear call to action statement such as Shop Now or Learn More. Now, click on Link and decide what the button should link to. The options are vast, from a specific product page to a unique URL or another page within your website. Once you've chosen this, decide whether the link should open in a new tab or not. Finally, to make all these changes go live on your website, simply click on Save and Publish. This concludes your Smart Action Edition. It's a straightforward process, and with a few practices, you'll have it down to a fine art.